Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3, the 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. If you want to install applications on your watch, first you will need to connect your watch to the internet, copy a Google account from your phone to your watch, and of course your watch needs to be paired with a phone to copy the account. So basically you need to provide the access to internet and also copy Google account so you can use the Google services on your watch. And once you've done that, you can basically simply download the applications through the App Store. And if you need to connect your watch to the internet, open the settings, then tap on Wi-Fi, then tap on Add Network, find the network right here on the list, and tap on it, enter the password, and it should say connected. And once it does, you're connected to the internet. And to add the Google account, your watch needs to be paired with a phone, and once it is, you can go to Other, go to Google Accounts, and if you don't have any account right here on the list, you need to tap on Add Account, and you will see this pop-up. And basically, that's why you need to have the watch paired with a phone, because it will kinda copy a Google account from your phone to your watch, and you need to tap on this icon. Then you will see the pop-up on the phone that is paired with your watch right here, this pop-up, and basically you can then copy the account, and once you copy it, it will appear right here on the list of the accounts in the Google menu right here, which means that the account is active and copied to your watch. And now you can basically install applications by going to the Play Store, Google Play Store. So you need to tap on the icon to open the Play Store. You can scroll through different categories right here on the main page, or you can just tap on search and type in something to look for something more specific. And then you can basically find the app you want to install, tap on it. Here you have the screenshots, reviews, and stuff like that, descriptions. And once you decide to install the application, you can tap on this big install button. It will start downloading. And once it's done, the install button will change to open or uninstall. Open or uninstall. Let's see. Both actually, we have open and uninstall. And of course you can open it by tapping right here on the open button, or if you open the menu on your watch, the icon will appear and you can tap on it to open the application. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.